And we are back with another one of our preferred partner videos. And today we are going to recognize Cerboni Financial Services. And with me today, I have Joshua Santana. Welcome, Joshua.
Thank you, Ben.
Yeah, we are so excited to bring on Cerboni as a preferred partner. And I'd like Joshua to talk a little bit about what Cerboni provides.
Yeah, so Cerboni is an accounting service company that we specialize in the hospitality and restaurant industry. Mm-hmm. So we have a team dedicated to the restaurant and hospitality industry so that we get the most out of our financials and operating. We also provide a CFO service. We have an accounting team. We have a loan and grant department team where it's a group of people that service the restaurant industry.
Yeah, I love that. And as Joe and I have found new preferred partners, we target people or companies that specialize in the restaurant industry, hence why Cerboni is with us today. Can you elaborate a little bit more about if a potential member or new member would like to learn more about Cerboni and where they can find more information?
Definitely. So we're online. We're at www.cerboni.com. We're based in Houston, Texas. So a great aspect of Cerboni services, you're having a group of people that specialize and think of the cost. So having a CPA, having a tax accountant, having a CFO, having a loan and grant department is going to accumulate a ton of costs if you hire individual people. Here we're all in-house. We take care of all the financial needs that you need. So if a bank needs financials or they want specific reports, we're able to take care of that for them. Also, end of the year tax, we're able to take care of your tax return, which you need another CPA instead of just having a bookkeeper in-house. We have a person to take care of your books. We'll have a person to take care of your tax return. Everything that's necessary to get a financial, we can prepare.
Yep. Well, Cerboni is a full package. They can offer everything from A to Z, and as a new client, you can pick their services that you would want to choose, right? So you don't have to choose the whole full package. You can specialize in one area that you like to focus on. So that's what we love about Cerboni. They have a lot of options. And one thing I'd like to mention as well is we have a co-branded landing page with Cerboni and TRA. So cerboni.com/TRA, and then you'll be able to find more information about the partnership as well. Joshua, can you also talk about what makes Cerboni unique and different than your competitors?
Yeah, so a big aspect is we focus on the restaurant and hospitality industry. Mm-hmm. So we use, and we're partnered also with Restaurant 365, which bought out Compete, which we were also partners with. And I imagine Restaurant 365 is a dedicated software for the restaurant industry. So I know a lot of restaurants, I know a lot of people use QuickBooks, which QuickBooks is great in the beginning, but once you start growing and having multiple locations, we want to have a dedicated software for the accounting portion, which we use Restaurant 365, which creates great reports, customized reports, and also what we also do is we customize reports to your team member. So the owner is going to have full access. They can log on any time of the day and see any type of report, but let's say they don't want their managers to see certain numbers or certain bottom line. We create a certain report for them so managers see what managers need to see, COO see whatever CEO needs to see, and then the owner sees what they want to see.
Right. So Cerboni also makes it easier for restaurateurs to focus on the actual restaurant aspect rather than focusing on the back of the house accounting, which Cerboni will take care of all that for you, will alleviate the headaches from actual accounting book work. As we wrap up this interview, Joshua, what are some things that you'd like to tell our TRA members that are listening out there?
Yeah, so real important is we're not just bookkeepers. There's a huge difference on what a bookkeeper and what an accountant does. Bookkeepers is just plugging in numbers, seeing a bank statement, putting it into a system software, and dishing out a P&L so that the owners can see. We go in great depths on the difference between the accounting and the bookkeeping. We're accountants, so everybody in our office is either going to be an EA, accountant, CPA, detailed line by line, knowing what's going to go into the financials to create a customized report for the restaurant and hospitality industry. So it's not just putting in numbers, getting it from bank statements. It's actually getting the invoice, putting it line by line, putting it into a financial that's going to make sense to the restaurant industry.
What are some ways that Cerboni can improve a restaurant's bottom line?
Yes, so in our CFO service, we go with the client either quarterly basis, monthly basis, going line by line saying, hey, we need to create a budget for this line item. We create a budget, we create a goal so that we can meet the expectations. It's like how I also mentioned creating that customized report for the managers.
Right.
So if you don't have a bonus structure in place, we can create a bonus structure to help managers meet those requirements, meet those goals, so that, in the end, we want all our employees, all our managers to be able to achieve, right? So we have a lot of clients that come on board and say, hey, we have a bonus structure, but it's really hard to implement,
Yep.
So,
well, we cannot be more excited to have Cerboni as a preferred partner for our financial solutions for our members. Joshua, thank you for your time today. We really appreciate you being here at this board meeting. And please don't hesitate to reach out to Joshua or Maria DeGain. Please reach out or go to that landing page to learn more about Cerboni and all they have to offer. So thank you.
Thank you.